Somalia stands at a crossroads, rich resources beneath its soil and a future waiting to be written.
Fueling Prosperity is more than a book. It's a mini-MBA in oil and gas management. Authored by Fiscal and Sons, experts in oil and gas fiscal systems.
Endorsed by former prime ministers, ministers, and leading scholars, it is celebrated as a roadmap to transparency, accountability, and growth, not just for Somalia but for Africa as a whole. This is knowledge for students, power for policymakers, and guidance for leaders shaping the future.
Fueling Prosperity is the definitive university textbook designed to produce Africa's skilled oil and gas workforce. From Mogadishu to Maputo, from Somalia to Sahel, Fueling Prosperity is your guide for equitable resources, equitable future for the whole of Africa.